Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats. Hello. And we're going to show you just how easy it is to install one of our Honda Ruckus seat covers. We make all of our seat covers here in Pennsylvania. We can do Recaro, Bride, Diamond, fur, simple covers. We do everything. So stitching, size, whatever you want we'll do. So the first thing is, just to see how easy this is, we put a sticker on the front to show you which side is up. And Rafa's going to show you just how simple it is. It takes about 2 seconds to install one of these things. Starting at the back, put that on like that. Pull it around to the front. Super simple. There's a line that lines up with the edge of the seat to show you, make sure that you're got that thing positioned correctly. Pull the sides in. Do a little bit of massaging on the top. Oh, there's a bungee cord. Tighten that up too. Now, you can staple this thing on if you want to, but this shows you exactly how it can be positioned. You can ride around, you can staple it on later. The main thing is, you can be riding around with your new seat cover within 5 minutes of receiving it in the package. All kinds of options, so I hope you visit us at cheekyseats.com. Thanks.